I interview you?
Sure.
For academic purpose only.
Wait, say that again?
For my academic only.
Okay.
How old are you?
23.
23?
Yep. What? I thought you were gonna interview me. Are you nervous?
No.
It's funny.
She's shy.
She's shy.
Yes.
So you are nervous.
Oh no.
What time is it there?
It's 7 p.m.
It's 7 a.m. here.
Do you know some Filipino words?
I don't know Filipino words, girl. You gonna teach me? So what you gonna teach me first?
Do you know what's mahal kita?
Say it?
Mahal kita.
Mahal kipa?
Yeah, mahal kita.
Mahal kipa was kita or kipa?
Kita.
Kita?
Yes. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
In English, I love you.
Mahal kita.
Do you know what's kumusta?
Kumusta?
Kumusta.
Kumusta is that? How are you?
Yeah. So how are you?
I like Spanish.
Spanish? Ah.
Spanish is como esta.
Kumusta?
What else y'all got for me?
Pogi.
What?
Pogi. Pogi ka.
Pogita?
Pogi. Pogi. Or guwapo. Yeah, guwapo ka.
Guapo? Guapo ka?
Yeah, guwapo ka.
Guapo ka. What's that?
That means you're handsome.
How do I say you're pretty?
Guwapa ka. Guwapa ka.
Guapa ka.
Yeah, thank you. How old are you? 23?
Uh-huh.
United States, right?
Yeah. You're going to the United States.
Soon I will go there.
Can't wait.
Can't wait though. Burkat ka? Do you know some other language?
Do I know another language?
Yeah, do I know?
Un poquito español. Just
Espanol?
Un poquito.
Can you teach me? Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me some.
You don't want to know Spanish?
I want to know Spanish.
You want to know Spanish? Te amo.
Te amo.
Te amo.
Te amo.
I love you.
Te amo, yeah.
Te amo means I love you.
That means I love you. Tienes lindos ojos.
Tienes.
Tienes
Tienes.
lindos.
Tienes nidos. Nidos.
Ayun, sige,
Lindos ojos.
What?
again.
Tienes lindos ojos.
Tienes nidos ojos.
Ojos.
Tienes nidos
Bulok man yung
ojos.
Google.
What's that mean?
Have pretty eyes.
You're so sweet. Tienes lindos ojos.
Gracias.
Gracias. What? Tienes lindos ojos.
I think today.
Are you half Spanish?
I'm American.
Pure American?
English.
Are you going to school?
done with school.
Did you graduate?
No, I didn't go to college
Why?
because I was making money. I was working. Police.
What?
I'm police.
You're a police?
Yep.
You didn't graduate, but you're a police.
Yep. It's your name.
What's your name? Angel. Yeah, Angel. Angel Ablo. Are you using Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram.
You're using Instagram?
Yes.
Can we be mute, Mar?
Can be friends on Instagram. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
This?
Yep. Yes, that one. Hey.
Do you have a car?
Yes.
Aww.
Would you like to ride with me?
Sure. Are you living alone?
Yes.
Why?
Where's your family?
Family's in another state.
Why?
Because I moved. I left them and I came here alone
You're bored?
to start a family, a new family.
Aww.
Well, I gotta go, pretty girl. I will talk to you later, okay?
Okay, thank you for the time. Nice to meet you.
I'll text you.
Nice
Bye.
meeting you.
What's your favorite food in Filipino?
Well, I can.
Why?
Well, for one thing, I like chicken because it's more healthy than red meat.
Okay. So, do you like Philippine culture?
Yes.
What can you what
Yes, I like
what is your feedback of our culture in here in Philippines?
Well, I like that they're very friendly people.
Anything? What? Did you already eat your lunch? I mean dinner.
Yes, I went to the KFC.
Wow, KFC. So you try. What is your favorite food in KFC?
Chicken.
What? Chicken again?
Chicken.
Chicken again?
Yeah, chicken.
Ah, you like chicken, huh? You know that I love chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Yeah.
Like Melay. Melay daughter said, Mama, I love your chicken nuggets. Like that.
Oh, yeah.
You say
Yeah.
it. Anything else?
Anything else I like?
Like, your feedback in Philippines.
The Philippines you're talking about?
Yes. The places in Cebu.
The people are more relaxed. They don't easily get mad. Like in America, they get mad easily.
Because Filipino are so brave, like they're so amazing, like me.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you. So what is your favorite spot in Cebu? Tourist spot? Like
My favorite one, I don't understand.
like tourist spot. Like
A tourist spot. Okay.
yes.
In the Philippines?
Yes, in Cebu. Or Cebu, you only visit in Cebu? Or
Well, I haven't done it yet, but I want to go scuba diving.
scuba diving? When? Tomorrow?
Supposed to meet a girl tomorrow.
You meet a girl tomorrow
Yeah.
in Cebu.
Close to the food, yeah.
Okay, it's so nice. And then how long you're here in Philippines? How long you been there?
I'm going to stay till November 20th.
Oh, wait ha. Te! 5 ra na eh. Wait, my cousin
Who's calling?
called me. My cousin called me. She asked if I have a 10 pesos. And I said, only 5 pesos.
You only have 5 pesos.
Yeah.
See, you need an American
Me?
boyfriend.
I have an American boyfriend? No. It's Pinoy.
No, then you need
I don't
need an American.
I don't have an experience of foreigner like a boyfriend.
Well, why not?
If God's will, I'm always waiting.
Waiting.
Yes,
Then you
waiting,
American.
waiting for the
Well,
right person.
maybe you already met him.
Maybe. You're kidding me. You always make me happy.
Yes. You better get him before someone else gets him.
Maybe I will try.
Yeah, if you let somebody else get him, you won't get him.
If God's will.
Yeah, but God doesn't always get his will. Because we mess things up sometimes, right?
Maybe if you want. I don't know. You're here to travel only. Yeah.
Yes.
And
And I'm
what?
probably gonna find my next wife here.
That's good. That's amazing. Hope you
Yeah.
find your destiny.
Oh, thank you.
I will pray in you.
You what?
I will pray.
Oh, pay me. Well, I don't understand. What are you saying?
No, I'm manifesting that you will find your destiny in here in the Philippines.
Yes. There's so many good women here. There are a lot of good women here in the Philippines.
Yes. A lot of, but be aware of like Filipino girl that you know scammer. Be aware of that kind of people here in Philippines, because in Philippines they're so much scammer. So choose wisely,
Yes.
because I have an experience of that, but in my past relationship only.
Are you having a bad experience?
Yes, but 2 months only.
That's too bad.
So good. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hope to see you again.
Yeah. Hope so too.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Salamat. Say salamat.